Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram story with 2 photos. Now I get it, if one photo really just doesn't capture that story or that mood or that event, I'm going to show you how to add 2 or even 3, 4, 5 different photos to that story. Now I'm going to walk you through 2 different options you have. Let's open up Instagram here, and I'm going to swipe over to the right to bring up my story. Now, there are 2 different ways that you can add multiple pictures, like 2 or more. One is just tapping the image icon at the bottom left here. And then I'm going to scroll down and say tap on one of these images. But first, at the top right there, you can see select. I'm going to select, and I can select multiple images and then hit next at the bottom right. Now this will add 2 images to my story. I can add music and all that stuff to it. However, if you want those 2 images on the exact same screen showing up at the same time, let's do that. Let's press back at the top left here and then get out of here. And what I'm going to do is tap the AA Create button. Now that I've done that, I can tap the sticker at the very top. And I'm going to just scroll down until I find this little image icon. So I'm going to tap on that, and I'm going to tap on an image here. Now I can move this around wherever I want and just repeat the process. So let's just do that again. And I'm going to add this other image here. So I can move these around. I can change the crop style of them. I can do hard, square, whatever I want. Let's do both of them as square. Make this one a little bit bigger. And then, of course, I can always just change the background if I want to. I can just tap that bubble at the top, change the background. Let's just say I want it to be black here. And I can move these around. I can always just add more if I wanted to add 3. I could add another one there if I want to as well. And then just hit next at the bottom right here. And I share that to my story having 2 or more images. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.